This one infrared sensor, it has one transmitter and one receiver and 3 pins. One is positive, one ground, one is out, and it is uses one potentiometer, some capacitors resistance, and this LM393. Now I will show you the real how it is work. Here I set 3 infrared and here I give supply 5 volt positive negative, and then each one given the power supply. You can see how the characteristics. You can see here one LED is on, so when I put hand it will go off, remove on, put off. So this is one option. Other option is LED is off, I put hand on it some distance, on, again off. And third one is, you can see green LED is on, I put hand on, off, again on. Now I will change the polarity. The signal line will remain same, only I will change the polarity. So now you see it is totally reverse. Now LED, green LED is off and red is switching on. When it is on, red switching on. If I want to show you again, polarity signal is same, green is on and off. So how this is working, you can switch either on or off, both way you can use it.